I'm about to blow your minds even further with what I'm about to teach you today. In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to day trade gold. Guys, I'm KOMMONFOREX the Marksman. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, make sure the first thing you do is you hit that thumbs up, like this video, hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I go live or anytime I drop a new video on YouTube. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We are fast approaching 10,000 subscribers. So if you're new here, all I need you to do is to look down below, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also smash the notification bell so you get notified anytime I go live or anytime I drop a new video on YouTube. In today's video, like I already said in the intro, I'm about to blow your minds with my simple day trading technique I apply on gold. One thing you know about gold is probably the most volatile commodity we trade. It basically means that if you take a trade on gold, you expect it to move as fast as possible, whether in your favor or against you. So what I always recommend to so many of my traders, especially if you're a beginner or you're new to trading, is to actually day trade gold. It means that when I'm taking any position on gold, I want a position which is going to go in my favor as fast as possible. I don't also expect it to hold it overnight unless I have a proper swing setup on it. So one of the easiest ways to take advantage of the movement on gold is with day trading. When we say day trading, a day trade is simply any trading position that you are not expecting to hold overnight. It means that if I take this trade at 9 a.m., I'm basically expected to be down in a few minutes or within a few hours, depending on how volatile the market is at that particular point. The example I'm going to be using on gold today is a trade I actually took this morning. We are still running in profits, over 100 pips already with my VIP. So if you cannot wait for me to start, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to this channel, share with as many struggling traders you know as possible. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I go live or anytime I drop a new video. Without wasting my time, let's jump right into it. Let me show you exactly what time I took this trade, what concepts I used, my risk management criteria, as well as the basic entry criteria I used to take this trade. So guys, if you look on my screen clearly here, you can clearly see I have gold running in profits currently. So my entry price, so I'm going to go back and explain to you in detail how exactly I took this trade, the basic concepts I used, and then how I took advantage of them. And we are nowhere near how much we're actually expected to make from this simple trading position. So now guys, if you look here, let me go back to exactly when I took this trade. So if you look at the market, basically what I'm saying now is all I used is my break and then a retest. And what do we mean by a breakout? A breakout mostly happens when the market fails to reverse where you expect it to reverse to. Basically, if it gets to a point where you expect it to hit and then come down, and you realize that the market hits it and keeps going, that's basically what we mean by a breakout. A breakout happens mostly when a candlestick closes beyond a particular key level. If you look at this chart, there was a turning point here. The market came back up, left a wick, and then came back down. We are currently on the 4-hour. I'm just using the 4-hour to explain to you how I came by this move and then how I decided to switch things up and then take advantage of the lower time frame to milk this move. So if you watch any of my breakout video, my main criteria for breakout is when I see a strong momentum candle closing beyond my key level. So the key level here was this particular resistance. So once I had this strong momentum candle closing beyond this key level, I basically expected a breakout. I wasn't able to take advantage of this trade. So basically all I did was to just leave the line in place and then wait for a retest. So you realize that finally we actually got a retest on Tuesday. I wasn't able to take advantage of this trade on Tuesday because I was very busy on Tuesday. But today, it eventually came to hit it and you can see it going up clearly. So now, what I always do anytime I have a wick, I'll need you to take your notepad and then write this particular information down. Anytime you see a long wick on the higher time frame, all you need to do is to switch to the lower time frame. Anytime you switch to the lower time frame, the price action on the lower time frame actually gives you a solid opportunity to take any trade. So what I always do anytime I see a wick like this, so the market came here, came to retest here again, then it actually left this wick and then closed beyond this. So now I have my retest. So now all I did next was basically to just switch to the 1 hour time frame. So if you like what you're watching today, I want you to just take some time, smash that like button, also look down below and then hit that subscribe button, also smash that notification bell so you receive a notification anytime I go live or anytime I drop a video on YouTube. Let's get back to the video. So now basically on a 1 hour time frame, this is what eventually happens, giving us this sweet morning star on my 1 hour time frame. So all I do next is now I just bring my risk reward, stop loss at the bottom, but gold is very volatile. So even somewhere around here, you realize that my risk reward was very huge, but I just decided to bring it up because I didn't want to risk too much. So my stop loss was about 40 to 50 pips on this particular trade. Sending the trade out to my committee, you realize that basically, even if I'm not expecting anything, I'm expecting at least by the close of the day, it should at least hit this particular, price for me. And then dragging my risk reward down to this particular price clearly indicates to me I'm expecting to make about 180 pips on this trade. Now, this is where the market currently is now. First candle basically gave us over 40 pips on it. Right when the first candle pulled back, that was when I actually sent the trade to my VIP as well. VIP also came in and the market pulled back a bit, and then this is where we currently are now at this particular point. You can see the time down below. At 8 a.m. it went all the way up, then we started getting some pullbacks on it, and then eventually this is where we are now. I'm running in profits of over 90 pips at the moment on this trade. So this is what we basically mean by day trading. You are not expecting to hold your trades overnight. You're looking for short-term trades. How do you get more short-term trades? You actually just switch to the lower time frame, find entries on your trading positions on the lower time frame, because this is what I always do. Anytime I'm seeing a clear-cut opportunity on a higher time frame and I do not expect to get a confirmation on it as fast as possible, or I actually do not expect to get a clear-cut confirmation on it, I just go to the lower time frame, focus on the lower time frame moves, how fast I'm able to get entries on it on the lower time frame, which in this case was actually on the 1 hour. If you switch to the 15 minutes time frame, you also see it very clearly as well. So currently I have my stop loss at entry, waiting to see if I will eventually hit the final take profit for the day. But I've actually made over 100 pips already, taking over 80 pips of my profit. You can see the screenshot. I actually took a set. I actually even added a second position when it got some slight pullbacks. So what always happens is, now after taking trades, one thing I want you to also understand is that we have what we call trade management. Trade management, it basically means that what decisions do you make when the trade is moving, whether it's moving in your favor or it's moving against you. So in this case, let's look at trade management for when the trade is actually moving already in your favor. So you realize that on the 15 minutes time frame, my entry was here. We went all the way up, we got our 80 pips, then it pulled back to this point. So once you see the market pulling back, remember I've taught you in one of my previous videos how to take advantage of continuations, how to take advantage of the market going in one direction and then staying in that particular direction regardless of the pullback you are seeing. So this is where my pullback strategy also comes in. So basically with this pullback strategy, the moment I expect, all I want to see on the market is to see moves like this. So we have our initial move, then it comes down, then it goes up again, and it comes down, then it goes up again, then it basically comes down, then it goes up again. So now if you want to take advantage of continuations, what it basically means is that you are adding basically positions here. This is how you take advantage of trade. This is how you actually scaling on your trades when you already have an initial position. Because now, if I'm adding a position here, I'm basically already in profits. So I'm taking the trade from a highly leveraged position. If it goes all the way up and then it pulls back and then I see something like this again, what do I also do? I now make sure the price action here gives me another opportunity to take another trade here. Then I keep doing it as the market keeps moving. So if you switch to the 4-hour time frame and then you look on gold, you realize that you basically see this particular trend continuation strategy I'm talking about. I'm teaching you these things because I want you to have all the tips and tricks that allow you to maximize all opportunities on the market extremely efficiently. What I always preach is that it doesn't have to be a complicated strategy. You don't have to draw so many lines on the charts. All you need is a solid move. And the one thing about gold is that once you get a directional bias for the day, it's very easy for you to scale in on your trading positions and then maximize all your trades. Instead of deciding to use a huge lot size in the beginning when you're taking your trade, just place your initial lot size. If it pulls back and then you see the price action giving you an opportunity for a continuation, you can basically add further positions in there, scaling in and then making as much as you can. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I'll probably be bringing you another one today. Like I said, if you like what you watch here today, if you find it extremely helpful, if you feel this is something which is going to help you take advantage of every position you find on gold or any other commodity or currency pair you trade, I want you to look down below and then smash that like button. I also need you to hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I go live or anytime I drop a new video. If you're new to this channel, also smash the subscribe button. If you're old and you're watching my videos and you forgot to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Go down to the comment section, share with me anything you feel you learned in this video. If there's any topic or any concept you want me to make videos on, feel free to share it in the comment section as well. You can also keep up with me on my socials, KOMMONFOREX on Instagram, KOMMONFOREX on TikTok, KOMMONFOREX on Telegram, KOMMONFOREX on Twitter as well. And if you are here, you also want to join my Telegram community where I share trading signals on there as well as trading books. You also want to take your time and hit a link in the description to join the KOMMONFOREX trading community on Telegram with over 14,000 active subscribers. We are clearly approaching the 15,000 subscriber mark. So if you want to join a trading community on Telegram, which will go a long way to improve and enhance your trading journey, feel free to join the community on Telegram. Thank you very much for joining me in this one. Till next time, I'm KOMMONFOREX, and I hope I left you better than I found you.